Welcome to the Deep Dive. We take complex info and, well, we boil it down to what really matters for you. Today we're diving into an urgent weather warning. It covers Europe, Western Russia, and the North Caucasus, looking specifically at August 2nd to 11th, 2025. Our mission. Give you the key insights from the experts so you really understand what's developing.
Exactly. We've pulled together forecasts from the big centers, ECMWF, Copernicus, the WMO, plus national services too. And what's really striking is this a complex pattern emerging. It's potentially hazardous, and it's all happening against this backdrop of, well, accelerating climate change. Europe, for instance, is warming up more than twice as fast as the global average. That's significant. It means the region is basically a hotspot for these kinds of impacts.
Okay, let's unpack that picture then.
Yeah.
The immediate headline, the thing grabbing attention, is this high or even very high risk of a heat wave across a lot of the region. We're talking really extreme temperatures. Southern Spain could hit 42 Celsius, Paris, maybe 37 degrees C d'ici, Geneva 38 degrees C, the North Caucasus, nearly 39 degrees C.
Intense heat, absolutely.
But something else you mentioned, these tropical nights, where it doesn't cool down much, staying above 20 Celsius. What's the specific challenge there beyond just feeling uncomfortable?
Yes. Well, connecting this to the bigger picture, remember August 2024, Europe's hottest August. Summer 2024, hottest globally.
It isn't isolated. Those tropical nights are crucial really, because your body just doesn't get a chance to recover from the daytime heat. Leads to cumulative heat stress. Think about it day after day. That's incredibly tough on vulnerable people, the elderly, those with health issues.
Right, so it's not just one bad day, it's the buildup.
Exactly. And it strains health services, power grids, everyone needs AC, even water supplies. It affects sleep, productivity, just general well-being, which naturally raises the question, how does all this heat interact with, well, other kinds of weather? Yeah, that's what's puzzling me too. Because, okay, extreme heat, dryness, makes sense. But then we also hear forecasts, despite overall drier conditions expected in Central and Eastern Europe, talking about localized severe thunderstorms, heavy rain, even large hail. How can it be drier overall, but we're also bracing for downpours and huge hail? It feels like a contradiction.
It does sound like one, doesn't it? But the key is understanding how the atmosphere works in a warmer climate. A warmer atmosphere can physically hold more water vapor. It's the Clausius-Clapeyron relation, essentially. Think of it like a bigger sponge. It might take longer to get saturated, leading to drier periods overall.
Okay.
But when conditions are right for rain, that sponge can release a whole lot more water much faster. So you get these really heavy, short, localized downpours. That's why you can have flash floods even in areas that are generally experiencing drought.
So a more powerful, but maybe less frequent delivery of rain.
Got it. And the hail, these reports of giant hail, is that linked too? Oh, absolutely. That's another piece of this intensified puzzle. Climate projections show a pretty significant increase likely in both how often we see large hail events and how severe they are across Europe. And that's not just, an inconvenience. Large hail causes serious damage. Cars, buildings, crops. It can even be dangerous for people caught out in it. It's another sign of these intensifying extremes.
Wow. Okay, so bringing this all together, the intense heat, those tropical nights, the paradox of localized storms and drier conditions, and this context of Europe warming so fast. What's the main takeaway for you listening right now?
The deep dive really shows this August 2nd to 11th forecast isn't just weather. It's a snapshot of amplified risks. You've got the intense lingering heat and then these potentially dangerous localized storms, and it's all amplified by these underlying climate trends we can't ignore. This isn't just a one-off freak event, it's part of an accelerating trend. The WMO, they project an 80% chance that at least 1 year between now 2025 and 2029 will actually be warmer than 2024, which is the current record holder.
80%, that's sobering.
It is. It means being prepared, being vigilant, adapting. It's not optional anymore. It's becoming critical for all of us. And maybe the real food for thought here is, how do we navigate this? A future where our normal weather keeps shifting, keeps demanding we rethink how we live, how we build, how we prepare for events that are anything but normal by past standards.